Jingle bells ringing in my ear.
Okay, so these are candy canes and I'm very terrible at making decisions. So hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Trisha. I post cleaning, organizing, and lifestyle videos, and sometimes I post vlogs too. So today is the 3rd day of December. We are on our Vlogmas day 3. And for the 3rd day of December, I am going to make a DIY hot choco bar. So it's actually fitting for the weather today since it's raining outside. So before I do that, I am going to clean the kitchen first, and then we're going to proceed with making the DIY hot choco bar. So let's start cleaning.
While we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. We're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face. And later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh.
So since we only have a very small counter, I think I'm just going to remove these canisters over here, and I'm going to place our hot choco bar in this area because I don't have anywhere else to put it, and I'm going to proceed with making the DIY hot choco bar. So these are the materials that I'm going to need. I think I have everything over here. By the way, I forgot one more. I am choosing between these two. This one is a tray, and I've previously used it as a pot holder for my spring cleaning video. I'm going to put the link up in the corner. So I've placed some pots over here, but I think this is perfect to put the jars in. So let's see later if this one is better. But I also have this one. I will be recycling this one actually. So this is what it looks like from the inside. I am going to remove this, and I'm actually going to use this. It looks like a hay something. I'm going to use this for my nativity, which I will be doing tomorrow. So I'm going to keep this, and then I'm just going to place the jars over here. So let's see which one looks better. So I already have here these jars. This is what I'm going to use. I'm going to fill it with the marshmallows, candy canes, and the chocolate powder. I am actually looking for a clear glass jar. However, when I looked over some items, like I've said, I went to the dollar store, to Kmart and Warehouse. I noticed that the clear glass jars were actually more expensive than these one. So I bought this at Kmart, and it's just I think this one is just around $6. So if you're going to buy them individually with the other stores, one jar actually costs around $8 or $6, but for the same price you can actually have the set already. So of course you know me, I love buying cheaper stuff, so I opted with this decorated glass jars instead. I'm just going to clean them first before filling them up. And I've already told you about these two mugs, the Mrs. Santa and Santa mugs. They are my favorite so far. I bought them for $7.70 each on a VIP membership at Spotlight. Let's start. I'm going to wash the jars first and fill them up, and let's see if they look good or better here or in the tray that we have. Let's wash them. So I've already washed the jars and they are not fully dried up, but I'm going to try them now and see if they look good in this jar, in this box. So look guys, this is how it looks like if we're going to put it in this box, and let's see how it looks like in the tray. Which one do you like best? So is it better in this tray or in this box? I actually love how it looks in this tray because it looks very simple, but this box is actually giving me a farmhouse vibes, and it also looks nice over here. Look. So which one are we going to choose? I'm actually confused. I think I will try putting it in this box first. So let's choose this one. I'm very terrible at making decisions. So let's try putting it in this box first, and then we'll see later if I'll change my mind. So let's start. Okay, so I'm going to place the jars. I'm not going to fill them yet since they're still wet from the inside. I am just going to decorate it. So I went to Look Sharp. It's also a dollar store here in New Zealand, and I bought these decors individually. I think this one is $2.50 each. So I bought 4 of them just to put probably behind the box. And I also bought a chalkboard. This one is $2.70. So I'm going to write hot choco bar over here just to put the sign behind the box, and then going to design it at the back as well. I bought this at the wholesale club. It's $2.30. If we don't want to use the mugs, then we can use the paper cups. I only bought a few of them. And I also bought this one. It's a wooden embellishments, and I bought it for $2.30 at the wholesale club as well. So I went to a couple of different stores actually just to complete the look that I'm going for. So let's start. Can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment. So I bought this candy cane at Look Sharp as well. It's for $2 only. I was actually looking for a red and white candy cane, but I can't find one at the dollar stores. So I'm just going to settle for this, and this one is also Christmassy, so it's okay. And since I have lots of color already for my hot cocoa bar, so let's just open this one up, and we're going to place it in the jar as well. This one is the broken one, and that's so sad. Okay, so these are our candy canes, and I'm going to fill them over here. So inside this jar, but I'm going to place them one by one so that they won't break. So I don't know how I am going to place them like they're all straight, so let me just remove them again, and I'm going to try and place them properly. So how do they do that? Like this? Look. So I'm trying to place them properly. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look, you guys. So I already have the candy canes over here. And it's so cute. That's okay. And then I'm also going to place the marshmallows in this jar. Just keep everything. So I have already told you that I was looking for a white marshmallow, but they don't have any more at Countdown, and I don't want to go anywhere else for it, so I'm just going to use this. And that's okay since I love the pink color as well. So I'm going to use this thong and place the marshmallows inside. I just hope that this jar is already dry inside.
Are still by the tree. They don't mean nothing till it's here with me. If you know where it is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candlelight. All of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean nothing till it's here with me. If you know where it is, please.
So I know I have a terrible handwriting, but that's actually okay for now. So I'm just going to place it at the back. So let's just place it properly. Hot chocolate bar. And over here. Can you see it? So I think that's okay for now. Anyway, I'm just going to replace the handwriting. And then, I'm not going to put these signs anymore because look, my handwriting is really terrible and I don't know what to do with it.
Everything is calm now. Everybody's sleeping, all is peace, and I'm still hanging round in a house that's filled with lights, walking through a midnight wonderland. The wise men keeping watch, now it's midnight, and though it's cold outside, we're staying warm. And the star will always shine. It's the season for all time, walking in our midnight wonderland. The fuss and hustle of yesterday's gone. sleeping, all is peace.